Okay, I'm Giselle and I'm going to be showing you my Shopkins. So first of all, we have our yellow section. A lot of yellows, so cute. Then, behind the yellow section, we have our blue section. Next to our blue section, we have our pink section. Behind the pink section, we have the green section. And in front of the pink section, we have the red section. In front of the red section, we have our white section. Now we have a purple section. Then we have our chocolate brown section, I'm guessing. And then we have our orange section, which has Nutty Butter, Pretzel and Cheesy Bee. Now we have at the back we have our sparklies and our frozen. This is our frozen section. And behind the frozen section, we have the ultra rare section. I am missing milkshake. I need one more milkshake to complete my ultra rare section. Now that is the brown one. Because can you see I have the pink one? I need the brown one. That is our sparkly section, ultra rare section. And the pink one of the popsicle, which is the one in front, is hard to find. Now I have doubles of that one. As you can see, I have doubles of it. Yes. I also have doubles of Corny Cob, Season 2, Posh Pear, and Suds. Now we have our let me think, the exclusive section. Cheesy Bee, Alpha Soup, those two are not on the list, and Pretzel E. Now I have Season 2, Corny Cob, Fifi Flour, don't know what that name is, Coffee Drip actually, Cupcake Chip, don't know, but it's an avocado, I know from here, Ali Foil, not sure, and I don't know, it's coffee, something to do with coffee, I'm guessing, because it says coffee on it. That's something to do with dishwashing liquid, I'm guessing. And we have Fluffy Baby. I only have one because I traded a couple. And I have Mandy Candy. Now this one is very sparkly, as you can see. Oh, the shimmer. Yay! Now, that one is very, very nice. I like that one. Now, I will choose some of my favorites. How about let's choose this one. I'll show you later. This one. This one. Let me have a look at the back. Oh, and forgot to mention, you might have saw already that I have the Shopkins Small Mart and vending machine. Now I will go back to my seat and see what else commons and rares I have chosen. Oopsies. I think Shampy fell down. Let me fix him back up. Him or her, I don't know. Okay. Yellow section. Yes, I do. I like one. Now, most of these are my favorite. There's another one I like, I'll tell you, that's Soda Pops. And I also like, let me choose. Strawberry Kiss. Season 2. Lipperoni. Okay, I think I have chosen most of them. So now I will show you. I didn't put them in that neat of order, but let me just fix them up and then I'll show you. Okay, we have our first one. We are starting from the right hand side. We have Lippy Lips, the green Lippy Lips. Okay, that is Lippy Lips. I will put it to the side. Alifoil, that is season 2. If there's season 2, I'll tell you. Has a number 15 on the side. Strawberry Kiss. Sparkly Soda Pops. She shimmers. Fairy Crumbs. Now this is the pink one. Okay. Avocado season 2. I don't know what his name is, so I just call him Avocado. Pretzely. Now this one is exclusive. I like it a lot. wishes, sparkly pink wishes, soda pops. The next one you've seen before, because I showed you before in this video. It's very, very sparkly, the next one. Ready? Here it is. Now this one is Mandy Candy. Sparkly. And the back, sparkly. Now this one is Lippy Lips. Lippy Lips, Lippy Lips, Lippy Lips. I think she's on her cell phone or something, I'm not sure. Now we have Baby Puff. Baby Puff, Baby Puff. I like Baby Puff, fluffy babies. Season 2, special edition. Oh, this one I love a lot. Creamy Bun Bun. The brown one. Creamy Bun Bun. Creamy Bun Bun. I like Creamy Bun Bun. Okay. And we have Ultra Rare Mandy Candy. The yellow one. Okay, that's it for our video. Bye, hope you enjoyed it.